Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. Our PAX coverage continues once again, but this time we decide to take a look at some of the awesome products our good friends over at Seagate had on display in some of the amazing custom PC builds at PAX Australia. Most of you guys have seen our recent Doom Eternal build, which Seagate hooked us up with some amazing drives to complete the PC mod. Not only that, but we have been working on a secret giveaway PC with M-Wave and Logitech, which a lot of you may not have seen yet, and all of the storage used in this PC is from Seagate. No sneak peeks yet, but video to come shortly. Seagate's main focus this year was towards promoting their FIRECUDA range of Mdot 2 drives aimed towards gamers wanting to achieve fast boot and loading speeds, and by fast I do mean 3,450 read and 3,200 write. So with gamers in mind, Seagate offers these drives in the 1TB and 2TB capacities, both with 5 years warranty, so you shouldn't have any issues storing all of your favorite games. If the FIRECUDA range is not for you, well, there is the Seagate Barracuda Mdot 2 drives, which a lot of the M-Wave systems actually had on display. This drive comes in 256GB and 512GB capacities, still with the 5 years warranty, and offers gamers or creative professionals a cheaper option with slightly lower speeds, but significantly faster than the regular SSD or hard drive. You will get 3,400 read, which is only 50 megabytes slower, and 2,180 write, which is absolutely fantastic. Now for you creative professionals out there, Seagate did have a few systems equipped with the Barracuda and Barracuda Pro hard drives, which offer up to 14 terabytes worth of storage. And believe me, being a video creator, shooting in 4K RAW, the footage eats up storage so fast. I'm actually already in need of a storage upgrade in my personal rig. Personally, I did want to thank Seagate for their continued support and definitely commend them on their products, and they cater to different audiences, which I think is very important. Anyway guys, that about does it for my Seagate coverage at PAX Australia 2019. I'd love to hear back from you guys in the comments. If you could choose one Seagate product for your PC, what would you choose and why? Leave that down in the comments section. I look forward to reading them. Don't forget to leave a like, consider subscribing, and also consider becoming a channel member. And if that is not for you, then we also have Patreon. Your support is greatly appreciated, guys. We're also currently working on a community Discord, so be on the lookout for that. That should be really cool. That's coming up very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.